Welcome to a world where coziness meets sophistication. In today's video, we're diving into the heart of Scandinavian design, showcasing tiny yet stunning homes with luxurious interiors and breathtaking architecture. From smart layouts to minimalist elegance, these homes redefine modern living with a touch of Nordic charm. Let's begin with an aerial view of this architectural masterpiece, a compact Scandinavian house that harmonizes perfectly with nature. With clean lines, light wood accents, and snowy surroundings, this design radiates simplicity and elegance. Watch as we explore the intricate details of this home's seamless layout and thoughtful structure. Step inside and bask in the warmth of a Scandinavian living room designed for comfort and tranquility. Soft woolen throws drape over minimalist sofas, while large windows invite snowy landscapes to be part of the decor. A central fireplace adds a rustic touch, complementing the light wooden accents throughout the space. The neutral color palette ensures a soothing ambiance, making this room the ultimate cozy retreat. Whether you're sipping hot cocoa or diving into a novel, this living room is ready to make you feel at home. Let's explore how these thoughtful touches bring Nordic charm to life. In this Scandinavian kitchen, simplicity meets functionality in the most elegant way. Crisp white cabinetry pairs beautifully with light wooden countertops, creating a seamless and airy space. Open shelving showcases neatly arranged crockery, while subtle decor like ceramic bowls adds character. A snowy view from the window completes the look, making every meal prep feel like a serene ritual. Compact yet efficient, this kitchen is a perfect blend of form and function. Let's see how it all comes together in this Nordic-inspired culinary haven. This Scandinavian bedroom is your personal haven, crafted with simplicity and warmth in mind. A light wooden bed frame anchors the space, topped with plush white bedding for the ultimate comfort. Minimalist decor enhances the room's airy feel, with a single potted plant adding a touch of life. The large window frames a snowy forest view, making it a perfect setting to relax and recharge. Every detail speaks of calm elegance, blending beauty and functionality effortlessly. Let's dive into the details of this dreamy retreat. Step into this Scandinavian bathroom, where minimalism and luxury meet. Clean white tiles reflect the natural light streaming through a small, frosted window, while sleek fixtures in black or chrome add a modern edge. A compact wooden vanity pairs effortlessly with a round mirror, creating a functional yet stylish focal point. The neutral tones create a calming ambiance, making every bath or shower feel like a spa experience. Practicality and beauty coexist here, proving that even the smallest spaces can feel luxurious. Let's explore this elegant sanctuary. This Scandinavian dining area is the epitome of understated elegance. A light wooden table sits center stage, surrounded by simple chairs with soft cushion seats for added comfort. A minimalist pendant light casts a warm glow, perfect for intimate dinners or morning coffee. Neutral tones dominate the space, accented with fresh greenery or subtle table decor. The open design fosters connection, making it an ideal place to gather and share a meal. Let's see how every element comes together to create a welcoming dining experience. The outdoor space of this Scandinavian home is a serene extension of its cozy interiors. A small wooden deck overlooks a snow-covered landscape, complete with minimalist outdoor furniture for year-round relaxation. Soft outdoor lighting adds warmth to the frosty scene, making it inviting even on chilly evenings. Evergreens and snowy pathways frame the area, creating a perfect harmony with nature. Whether it's sipping coffee at sunrise or gazing at the stars, this outdoor retreat is the ultimate escape. Let's step outside and take a closer look.